Hi, I'm Josh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use MainStage as a vocoder. Let's get started. I'm going to go over to this default channel strip and delete it. Next, I'm going to create a new channel strip, and this will be the audio signal coming into the microphone, which in my case is input 7 on my interface. So now my first channel strip is the audio coming into the microphone. I'm going to create a second channel strip. This one is going to be an instrument. Click on the instrument menu and go down until you see EVOC Vocoder Synth. In the instrument plugin window, go to Sidechain and select the correct input for your microphone. Next, I'm going to go into the preset menu and pick a cool sound.
Hi, my name is Josh, and this is the vocoder in MainStage.